Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this occasion, I would like to present my paper with the title Measuring Collaborative Problem-Solving Skills of Vocational High School Students Using Web-Based Assessment. Whether the author of this paper are me, myself, Azura, Irmah Ramaswarma, and Ridwan Effendi from Magister Pendidikan Fisika Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Well, the outline of this presentation consists of introduction, methods, result and discussion, and conclusion. Okay, now we go to the introduction. Collaborative problem-solving skill, or CPSEs, has received increasing international attention because a lot of complex work in the modern world is done by team, according to Grazer. CPS skills are important for students to build, according to Harding, for academic and career success in the 21st century, according to Burrus and Griffin. CPS skills are divided into 5 indicators. In social domain, conclude participation, perspective taking, and social regulation. In cognitive domain, conclude task regulation and knowledge building, according to Hayes. So, the teacher challenges is not only to define the CPS skills, but also how to assessing and monitoring these skills. There are two approaches in assessing the CPS skills: human-to-human approach and human-to-agent approach, according to Rosen. This study, we use human-to-human approach with the help computer or agent as a medium assessing in these skills, with WebGPS program in webgps.site page. Research purpose. In this study, obtain an overview of level of CPS skills and characteristic of student social domains and cognitive domain in CPS. Next, we go to research methodology. There are 4 parts. In research design, we use qualitative research procedure case study. There are 3 phases. Phase 1, qualitative data collection. Phase 2, analysis of qualitative data. And finally, result qualitative. Next, participant. In this study, the participants are 30 vocational high school students in Pulau Bengkalis, Riau Province, 17 male students and 13 female students, with the sampling technique convenient sampling, according to Frankel. Next, instrument. We use webgps.site, consists of 2 tasks. Task 1, design a series of light bulbs provided. Task 2, design a simple electrical circuit at home with validity. 5 validators with the result of the valid assessment being in high criteria and reliability 0.82. Data analysis. The result of student activity log files are classified into 5 aspects of CPS, namely participation skills, perspective-taking skills, social regulation, task regulation, and knowledge building based on keyword developed by Swarma. As you can see from this table, social domain keyword and cognitive domain keyword with level 1 beginner, level 2 emerging, level 3 intermediate, and level 4 advanced. Result. As you can see from the table, for social domain CPS level, in task 1 and task 2, only 30% and 20% students who can reach intermediate level. It is also happened in cognitive domain, only 20% student in 2 tasks. Now, how about characteristic of student social domains and cognitive domain in CPS? As you can see from this figure, communication between two students, student 15 and student 16. This conversation demonstrates the CPS of participation skill level 1. Students do not participate in identifying problems, determining steps, and sharing assignments to make a simple set of available tools. Students do not know what to do, so do not communicate with partners to determine their respective tasks in solving problems. So, in social domain aspect, information communicated to each other is unclear, and students are more concerned with exploring the assignment space rather than participating in each other. It shows participation skills, perspective-taking skill, and social regulation of students at level 1, actually low level. Different with between two students, student 22 and student 21. In cognitive domain aspect, the two students participate in each other and determine the step to solve the problem. Student 22 gather information by looking up references from books and from the internet. Show that student 21 are sensitive to the need for more information. This shows that students are at level 3 aspect of task regulation skill in cognitive domain. Discussion. Perspective taking on social domain skill is often seen a core communicative competence. According to Hesse, perspective taking refers to ability to adapt on speed to the needs and intellectual abilities of peer students. Looking at previous research, sometimes participants lack the ability or willingness to adapt and contribute to their communication partner in collaboration. According to Horton, it was also found in the study that the finding of pairs of students 15 and 16 in task 1, participants were not able to adjust their contribution to enhance partner understanding in collaborating. One of the task regulation skills in the CPS cognitive domain is the ability to gather information such as sharing information that refers to relevant content used in problem solving. This skill is an important aspect of completing a task. This was compared also by Wagner that the ability to share information and communicate information with each other is important in completing tasks. In this study, student ability to gather information was identified through questions asked to partner at the beginning of the assignment. Likewise, at ATC 20 first project identifies the ability to gather information through questions raised to identify whether others can inform gaps in knowledge, according to Hesse. So, it can be concluded that the approach and result of this study can have important implications for the measurement of CPS skills. By using webcps.site page, researchers analyze how two characteristics how the characteristic of the social domain and cognitive domain of students at both the low and medium level reached by students. The assessment used in this study can be used as a teaching tool to understand the concept of simple electrical circuit and as an instrument of measurement for collaborative problem-solving skills. That's all of my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.